as I was saying, we just finished packing all of our bits and pieces to get in the car to leave to go check into Hotel Cheyenne. But Lucy just said Lonzo's had a poo. I don't think we can get into our room till this afternoon. We're going to head straight to the parks. So we'll catch up with you very shortly.
Some cool stuff.
That's why it's so busy. Very busy, Jessie.
Oh, look at here. Finally in.
Over there, wanna check us in?
Yeah, I can do.
How cool is that?
This is so cool.
That's the queue for Jessie. It's not even a bad queue.
People decided to go on Ben's head. I don't know why, but Ben's doing uncle duties, man. Appreciated that, bro.
Locked in. We got
Locked
it.
in.
Look at the Lego, dude.
That was brilliant. Oh, Stitch stuff. Oh, what's that?
Oh,
Like that?
beautiful. That's gorgeous, Phoebe.
Stitch stuff here.
The promotion. Oh, no, stop.
Some cool stuff, man.
I love it. Look, this year
Wow, what you found?
Well, your sister couldn't even believe in that.
Is she? That's what I would buy. I would buy that. Whoa, Buzz Lightyear suit.
Look, I can see Jessie.
From Buzz to Woody, even Buzz's sword. But this is only the village. There's still more in the actual park itself. Massive. Wow. You're moving it. Press that one. It goes forward.
That is awesome.
That's awesome. It's going.
Before we get in, he goes to sleep.
Oh, Alonzo. That's alright. It's either they're all looking at me or they're looking at someone on the ring, innit? They're looking at me. Nah. That's pretty cool. Look at that, Mickey.
It's all for you, babe. It's all for you.
Oh, got some nice presents underneath there. Oh, all the detail. Oh my gosh, look how big that tree is. Wow. That is a massive tree. This tree is massive. Unbelievable. Oh, look at that. Look at that view, mate. You can't beat that view. Some cool stuff here for sure.
We will soon, sweetheart.
Some snacks to take.
Almond cake.
Nice.
We only just got in here, sweetheart. It's the candy shop where we got the cake.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it?
So beautiful.
It's actually beautiful. I'm trying to get a picture of Stitch. Here he is. You see him, Phoebe? Stitch in his Santa outfit. Look at that, it's Christmas Stitch. That's pretty awesome. Fantasyland, that is where we're going to go first, which is literally behind this castle. Not gonna lie, it is massive. But there's one thing seeing it in videos, but then when you see it in person, it's huge. Are we going to check out the dragon underneath? Yeah? Cool, cool. Look how cool that is. literally underneath the castle, there's a green massive dragon warring. Kids didn't like it, so they were scared, so they didn't go. Want to pull the sword out?
Yes.
You want to try that?
I do.
Yeah.
Ben's excited.
Over on that side if you want to go do it.
Yeah, go on then.
Come on then, Zambi said she wants
Do you want to pull the sword?
Deadlift.
No! You haven't got it, my love. You haven't got it.
Massive carousel, man. Tried to pull it off the sword, couldn't do it.
You did great. Oh, sleepy Lonzo.
Hey, Flo.
What are you doing, baby boy? What
He is not impressed. Hello. We're trying to do teacups and Dumble ride. We're just trying to do the most possible in this land today. When it comes to Disney, you gotta take it like a step at a time and take it easy and not really rush. You're taller than me, look, yeah. You take your time, man, and really take it in, but it's absolutely a beautiful area, beautiful place. We literally definitely will be coming again. And yeah, I'll be really enjoying it, man. Me and Ben have been dancing to this type of music, man. Let me play some bangers, to be fair. Wanna get some?
They got the Cinderella carriage.
Have you got the Cinderella carriage popcorn bucket?
And the sweet popcorn.
And sweet popcorn, yeah. Yeah, that's perfectly fine.
Okay, 26.
Also, can I have a refill as well? How much is refill?
Okay, 7.
Refill, £7.
Okay,
And then-
33, please.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. There you go, Zamfi. Can I have some? Thank you. Look how cool that is. Ah, look at that for Phoebe.
Look at that.
Princess Carriage. Phoebe. So one idea we thought of doing is bringing water bottles so we can refill them, but to put squash in so you still get some juice.
I'm just trying to find them. I've mixed nappies and wipes in there. They need to go in there. Got some Robinsons.
Yeah. I think I'll be sick.
You want orange?
Yes, please.
Yeah, me too. Such a good like money saving
Honestly.
trip because to get a bottle of drinks like €5 or something, and when you've got kids, how many squirts do you do?
Probably 2. That's it. Look at that. Nice and easy. Yeah, I'll say
One.
like 1 squirt. This is nice. Strong.
This is strong. Okay.
Yeah, I'll say 1 squirt. Not bad.
1 squirt is plenty.
Plenty, innit?
Yes, good.
Let's get going. Mini stands everywhere where you can get like crepes, donuts, popcorn, and there was various little sweeties and that you can get in that area. She is riding in there. Make sure we spin this, yeah? You gotta hold on to it or it's flying away. It's got a bit of kick to it. Oh my god. You enjoying yourself? Yeah? So what's this boat called again? Something in the book. We're riding around now. So it's going to be a good like 5 minutes most likely. Off we go, mate. Adventure! That.
On assoit les enfants, s'il vous plaît. Sit down the kids, please.
Baby, stop looking over. Baby's still looking over.
Oh, look at that Winnie the Pooh and Tigger. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Is that Christmas coming?
Look at wheels now.
Yeah. a gargoyle? I don't know. It really is amazing, isn't it? So, it's a caterpillar smoking shisha? Right.
Parts may be difficult, you could lose your head.
Whoa. The Queen of Hearts Tower.
I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's...
Must be. Jenny got lost in this maze. The way it was designed was kind of freaking me out. So, good on Disney there. That's a lot of stairs. Felt like it was never ending. So, it's about, I think, 6 o'clock, and Disney at night looks beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. Like, this is a vibe, man. I'm telling you. Look at this. All the stitched equipment. Mickey Mouse.
It says true love.
True love.
True love,
For Lonzo, isn't it?
It says true love, it's a bit like mum and daddy.
Look at all these cups. One thing I wanted to do is get the prices, and we're looking at. Okay, well, we're not gonna get the price of this one. It'd be nice if they put the prices somewhere. Or...
The prices, they're on the items.
Yeah, I looked on the item. Ain't saying no price to me.
Oh, what was you looking at?
It just said how much the mugs were, but it wasn't showing.
I need to get the mints again. Minty fresh.
Oh yeah. I think one small detail that we were just seeing is the little characters on the windows dancing. It's pretty cool, man. Yeah. And on top there as well. That's awesome. This place here. I think it closes at 9:30, so hopefully it's alright. It's a munch, man. Hope this table's available. Whoa. Got the munch. We decided to go for a kids meal. And here it is. Get pizza. You get one ice cream. You get a drink, and you also get a salad. Altogether, ain't that bad.